Nilpeter is the leading supplier of printing solutions for labels and flexible packaging. With manufacturing sites worldwide, Nilpeter embodies true global expertise, delivering quality and innovation across borders. Nilpeter is proud to manufacture the renowned FB line at its modern factory in Chennai, India. All Nilpeter presses are built with the same precision and quality, no matter the location, ensuring the same global standards for consistent, top-tier performance. Sustainability is playing an increasingly important role at Nilpeter. At the facility in India, all operations are powered by solar energy, which aligns with Nilpeter's sustainability strategy and contributes to a positive environmental impact. At Nilpeter's Technology Center, printing comes to life, showcasing presses, substrates, and inks in action. Together with key industry partners, we explore the details that drive quality and innovation, opening new possibilities in printing. We look forward to sharing it with you.